Hey, babe. Hey, babe. Hey, babe.
Yes.
You ready for your close-up?
I'm gonna have to pencil you in. I'm sorry.
Pencil me in?
Yeah. I mean, we're kind of a big deal now. I mean, if you didn't know, I just informed you. So.
Hi, family. Welcome to a Haunted House. I'm Star, and on this channel, I make content to empower others to pursue holistic wealth through real estate, financial hacks, and inspiration. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel below and give this video a like if you like it. Which you should like it because we have a big announcement, which you've already read in the title. We're going to be on an HGTV show. Babe!
HGTV! We're gonna be on HGTV, baby. Okay.
Oh, I guess you're over here now. So yeah, we're going to be on HGTV.
Woo-hoo.
We've been keeping this a secret for about 2 months.
A while. It was really long. Yeah, about
Like
2
it.
months. At least 2 months.
I feel like we knew about it in May.
So what is
maybe.
this? June?
It's the end of June.
I thought we knew about it
Before that?
end of March, early April.
April.
End of April, because that's when I had my root canal situation. That was the end of
Oh,
it.
we've known about this since April. This is down the end of June. And we are just now getting the green light to be able to share the news with you all that we will be on HGTV's new show, Design at Your Door.
Tune in.
So HGTV has a new show called Design at Your Door. They just created it during the pandemic.
The cool thing about it is during this time, it's actually meant to give you some joy during this time. And you get to have your own designer.
Yes.
Out of a select few of designers, we were able to talk about our dreams and aspirations for our said room, our preferences, our likes, our wants, our don't wants.
Yeah, so pretty much the general concept of the show is that there's a room in your house that you want to get made over. They pair you with an HGTV designer. You don't know who your designer is going to be. It's a surprise. We did get to tell them who our favorite designers were, but it wasn't a guarantee who you don't know who you were gonna get. So it was a surprise, as we were filming, who our designer was. And so the whole thing is remote. The designer is remote, and they are giving you remote guidance on your design. They are giving you a design plan to complete the new design of your room. And HGTV also sends you a bunch of supplies, tools, and just goodies, decor for your new room. And you don't really know how it's gonna look until you get the design plan. So you get the stuff, you get the design plan, and you see how all the stuff kind of fits together. But then you have to do all the work yourself. I will say one thing that helped us get chosen for this show was this YouTube channel. They saw some of our videos of some of our DIY projects around our house, and they were really confident that we had the ability to do the work in our house ourselves. So it was self-taped. So I want to say a big thank you to those of you who follow this YouTube channel. Your support of my content helped us to get selected for this show. Because it was mentioned throughout the whole process of oh, we saw your video, we saw what you did, we saw you guys put light fixtures up, we saw you guys put up curtains, and we saw you guys build a coffee bar. Yeah. So all those projects they saw on this channel, that really gave them confidence in us to do our own DIY room design. So we're not going to share what room it is. We'll let you guys see it on the show. But we love it.
We do.
We love it a lot. And should we say who we work with? I think we should.
Nope.
We work with designer Alison Victoria, and we loved her.
She was great.
She was great. And we cannot show you any of the work in the room until after the episode airs. So after our episode airs, I will do a proper updated room tour on this channel for the room that we designed with our HGTV designer. When is our episode air, babe?
Thursday, June 25th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
Yes. So tune in on Thursday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. If you're in a different time zone, that may be It may be 6 p.m. Pacific time. It may be 7 p.m. Mountain time or Central time. It's 7 p.m. Mountain time and 8 p.m. Central time. So yes, tune in this Thursday to see us on HGTV, Design At Your Door, and to let us know what you think about our new design of the room that we chose to get made over.
I wonder what room we chose.
I'll give you a hint. It was requested for a video by one of the subscribers.
Check out her previous video to find out.
Stay tuned to this channel for our updated room tour and also just for more videos on real estate and home decor, DIY projects, finance, all of those things. Thank you for watching us. Give us a like. Tell us what you think in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel below. And until next time, love Star.
And David.